Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to solve this quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, let's start by adding 13 to both sides. This now becomes x squared minus 4 equals 13. I'm now going to halve this number and ignore the sign. So half of 4 is 2, and I'm now going to square it. And if we add that to both sides, we get that. The left-hand side can now be factorised as x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. That's because the x must come down to here and over here. The 2 must come down to here and of course over here. And we take this negative sign here and put that in there. This is identical because this must be the same as this. This of course equals 13 plus 4. In other words, we can write this as x minus 2, all squared, equals 17. Taking the square root of both sides, we get that x minus 2 equals the square root of 17. And finally, by adding 2 to each side, we get that x equals 2 plus or minus root 17. Do not forget your plus or minus. That's how you get your two roots. And that is the final answer. Just to show you what that would look like on a chart, let's draw the curve, and it's going to look something like this. The minimum point here is going to be where x equals 2. And your roots are found here and here by either adding root 17 or deducting root 17. So that's what the completing the square method does. It finds the lowest point of the parabola and then finds the roots by adding or deducting this amount. Hope that was useful. If it was, please like and remember to subscribe. See you next time.